You've tuned in to another episode of Fresh. Are you looking at living in Thailand? Are you considering your long-term visa options? I can't help you, but luckily I'm joined by the best of the best, Kun Laksamon, and she is a registered attorney in Thailand. Perfect. So for all the viewers that want to know a bit more about Laksamon, me and her go way back. I think we've been friends and kind of business partners for quite a few years now. If it wasn't for her, there would be no Fresh Property because, fun fact, she registered our company and she was the one that started me off in business. So Laksamon, do you want to introduce yourself to our viewers?
I am Laksamon Dhamminch. I'm a lawyer in Thailand for 18 years already. Right now, I have a small firm in Phuket. Our firm specializes in property law, corporate law, and foreign direct investment.
She has a lot of experience in property. Very often when we are doing transfers or we are selling condos, she is the one advising us. So I brought the best out to talk about property law and investments and visas. So the big question we get from our buyers is, can they buy a property, being a foreign buyer, buy a property and get a visa?
Yes, can. The property that that foreigner bought need to be under their own, like personal name. Then the value of property need to be more than 10 million baht. They can buy multiple property, but all together need to be more than 10 million baht.
Alright. And what would be the name of that visa? It's an investment visa.
It is an investment visa.
Alright. And 10 million baht condo, or can it be any property?
You can have other investment as well. For example, long-term deposit, government bond, and you can combine all investment together, and the total value need to be more than 10 million baht.
Right. And it can be like a villa, townhouse, could be condominium.
At the moment, need to be only condominium. However, you can buy it under the leasehold ownership or freehold ownership.
Okay, that makes sense. And as you mentioned, it can be split over several investments. So the investors out there, if they wanted to buy 5 million baht condos, they could apply for an investment visa.
Correct. Yes.
Right. And a lot of the people that inquire about buying a condo and getting a visa, they are possibly considering moving to Thailand, maybe setting up a business here with an investment visa. Would they be allowed to work in the kingdom?
No, cannot. Investment visa cannot apply for work permit. And I actually forgot to tell that you need to continue holding ownership of your condominium more than 3 years before you apply for investment visa.
So to clarify that, so I would need to own my investments for 3 years and then I would be eligible for applying for an investment visa. Okay, that makes sense. And if they had a family, say they have a wife, they have kids, would they be eligible to getting a visa?
Yes, investment visa can, the condominium owner can apply for investment visa, and if they have family member, they can apply dependent visa, non-immigrant for their family as well.
And they can have as many dependents as they want.
Need to be direct family member, so wife, kids.
Perfect. And according to you, what kind of people get investment visas from your experience?
Actually, people who looking to like invest into property, they may need kind of visa for them to stay in Thailand. So investment visa is suitable for people who invest in the Thailand property.
Makes sense. And anything you think we should be aware of when we're applying for an investment visa for the buyers out there?
Actually, investment visa is not difficult. It's as easy as retirement visa. So you will need to just prepare a document for your condominium title and your personal document. That's it. Go to immigration office and apply for it.
Okay. So we've been talking for about 5 minutes now. I think I'm an expert, so to recap, correct me if I'm wrong, you can buy a condominium or many condominiums up to a value of 10 million baht. You need to own that for 3 years and you would be eligible for an investment visa.
Correct.
And you can have as many dependents as you want, but they need to be direct. So your spouse and your kids.
Yes.
Perfect. Is it expensive to apply for an investment visa?
Same as other type like business visa, retirement visa. The visa fee is only 1,900 baht.
That's the government fee, not
that's
your
government fee. Yeah, but service fee depends on the agent that you use. Usually it's around 10 to 20,000 baht for one application.
All right. And you need 10 million baht of condos, right? So it's cheap, very cheap, 10 million baht. So I think we can move on to the second part. We have the Thailand Elite Visa, which we will be discussing.
Yeah.
I hope you viewers are looking forward to that. My favorite viewers, you are back. Welcome back to the second part of this episode. So up next we discuss Thailand Elite visas. I've heard a lot about this visa type. Please, Laksamon, what is the Thailand Elite?
Thailand Elite Visa is a product that Thailand would like to sell a long-term stay for foreigners who like to come to Thailand, but they're not eligible to any type of non-immigrant visa. So they don't do business, they don't invest in property, their age younger than 55 years old, they don't work for government, they're not eligible for any type of non-immigrant. So they need a visa that's longer than usual visa that they get visa on arrival. Visa on arrival usually based on your nationality, right? It could be 30 days, 60 days or 90 days maximum.
Okay, so for the viewers, I can understand this. So for anyone who basically is not eligible, so who's under the age of the retirement visa, who doesn't want to start a business, who doesn't want to spend 10 million baht on an investment visa, they could potentially apply for a Thailand Elite.
Yes.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. But one thing I really want to know about, the thing I'm most curious, I heard Thailand Elite comes with a lot of benefits. I heard it comes with a limo that picks you up at the airport, Michelin star restaurant bookings, and golf course membership. Is that true?
It's true. At the beginning, Thailand Elite Visa offer only the program plus partner discount, like this benefit. It's come out that look like membership fee is too expensive. So right now they offer a cheaper one, but they cut this partner benefit off.
Okay. What's the they still offer, but what's the difference in price? You can give a broad range. I know there's so many packages, right?
Like the longest one, 20-year visa, if it's come with a partner benefit, you need to pay 2 million baht. However, if you want just visa 20 years without partner benefit, you pay only 1 million baht.
Okay. That makes a lot of sense. And you just mentioned 20 years, so with a Thailand Elite, you could have a very long stay visa.
Correct. You will not get 20 years visa at one time. You will get 5-year visa extendable for 4 times.
4 times. And what's the shortest Elite visa?
5 years. It's called easy access.
And so I understand. So for example, I know for a fact with my clients, if they have a business visa or they have an investment visa, they have to renew it every year.
Correct.
With a Thailand Elite, so for 5 years, they don't have to do anything.
Yes. They will need a new immigration stamp every time that they come in, unless they stay in Thailand more than 1 year, right? They need to go to the immigration office, get a new stamp. That's it.
That's it. No new renewal.
Yeah, no document.
Oh yes, Chang Watana. I've heard a lot about the Chang Watana.
Yeah, come at 5 o'clock. Get your visa in the afternoon.
Yes, the joys of Chang Watana.
Yeah.
And from your experience, by the way, could Laksamon is a Thailand elite agent. This is not a paid promotion, but basically, what kind of clients apply for it? From what kind of profile do they have?
Mostly clients that apply for Thailand elite visa with our firm is a person who already bought property in Thailand, maybe but less than 10 million baht or more than 10 million baht, but still not hold this ownership less than 3 years, so they need other type of visa.
Any specific nationality that apply for it at the moment?
At present, we recommend them to apply to submit application first and get the immigration office to review it because the requirement change very often.
Right, that's very interesting. And I know that right now with the COVID situation, a lot of people want to get into Thailand. Could they buy a Thailand elite and get into Thailand?
At present, still cannot. Thailand elite visa is not in the list that government allow to come in. However, Thailand Elite Card Company Limited still in negotiation with Thailand Immigration Office to extend to add in this type of visa in the list.
Okay. And how about previously? I should have asked that with the investment visa, would you be able to enter Thailand?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And now the big question is, if you had to compare the Thailand elite to the investment visa or any other kind of visa, what's the benefit of Thailand elite?
Thailand elite visa, as I told before, if you're not eligible for any type of visa, this is an option for you. So it's easy, you just buy it, no document needed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Makes a lot of sense. I think she's given us a lot of insights today. Let's keep this video short and sweet. If you do have any more questions, please leave them in the comment box below. If you like this video and you would like more visa or legal videos, please smash the like button. Let us know in the comment box and please do subscribe to Fresh Properties channel. Thank you so much for watching.